Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 400 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and then select power off twice. This will turn off the device, and once that happens, hold power button, volume up again. And when you see the Honor logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here we have a couple options like restart, which takes us back to Android, clear data, which has two options, factory reset and wipe cache partition. We have update mode and safe mode. Now I'm gonna select restart, as this is just a way for me to get back to the normal operating system, and leave this mode. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.